Assalamu alaikum. How is everybody doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's one of my favorite day today because it's raining outside. I think rainy days should be spent at home with a cup of tea, and something else will be a great treat with the tea. So I'm making some fried chicken today. It's very simple and easy recipe made with very little ingredients, which is easily available for everyone. So I took some chicken leg here. I'm using chicken drumstick. You can use any part of the chicken you want. So with the kitchen towel, I'm taking off all the chicken skin. Make sure it's all clean. Now I'm making few cuts in the chicken so it marinates very well. হৃদয়ের জানালায় চোখে মেলে রাখি বাতাসের বাঁশিতে কান পেতে থাকি হৃদয়ের জানালায় washing the chicken very nicely so it's all clean. Now I'm patting the chicken with some hand towel. Make sure all the excess water is dry up. I have everything here to marinate the chicken. It's still raining outside. So beautiful. I have all the spices that I need to marinate this chicken. I have here flour, cornstarch, 1 beaten egg, and some spices I'll be using from here. Chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and some salt. I won't be using the cardamom, it's just there in my container. I have here some yogurt, garlic paste, and ginger paste. You can see there is a tomato paste, but I won't be using that. So to marinate the chicken, I'm adding salt first. I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt. Quickly, I want to tell you about this container I have. This is a spice container. I bought it from back home. It's very useful and handy container. I keep all my spices here. You can also buy these from Danforth here in Toronto. I think some store might sell it. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Make sure the yogurt doesn't have any water. Now into the chicken goes 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. You can add more or less chili powder according to your taste. Half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. I also bought this container from back home. I usually keep all my paste spices here. 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm adding 1 whole egg. I'm going to mix it everything, make sure everything combined nicely. Now I'm adding pinch of food color. It's totally optional. You don't have to add this. I'm just adding it so the chicken get nice color. So the marination is done. I'll put it on the side until I fry this. If you want, you can keep this in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. The rain is gone. Outside look very nice and fresh air. So we decided to fry this outside here on electric stove. I'm letting my husband do the job. Make sure the oil is nice and hot before you place all the chicken in. He's placing one at a time. Now you don't want all this oil to be splattering and dropping. If the oil is popping and smoking, then this oil is too hot. Turn it down a little bit. You don't want it to be too hot. It should sound like nice, soothing like this here. So make sure flip the chicken often so it doesn't burn. You can also put the lid on to cook it faster. So I'll cook this chicken in medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. So meanwhile, I'll just quickly show you my backyard. I haven't done anything this year yet. Hopefully this weekend I'll fix up my backyard. If the oil splatters or bubbles too much, like mine is doing right now, you can use this splatter. It helps to stop splattering the oil around. So 20 minutes is up. I think this chicken is ready. I'll take this out of the oil now. While my husband finishing up with the chicken, I'm picking some mince from my garden to garnish the chicken. Now we can wait to taste this yummy chicken. Let me tell you how juicy, crunchy, crispy, perfect this chicken is. What more can I ask for? Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I also want to thank everybody who's been supporting me all along. I'm overwhelmed with all your love and support. Please do continue with this so I can make more videos. Until next video, please keep us in your prayer. Allah Hafiz.